today we are going to do our balancing robot craft, which as a craft is fairly simple, but as a science concept is super fun. So outside of this bag, all you'll need is a simple pair of scissors. You can include it optionally to have markers, pens, crayons, whatever, to decorate your robots with. Today I won't be doing that, but feel free to mark these up and color it in and make him the coolest little robot you have ever seen. In the bag, you're going to have these robots, 2 washers, and 2 sticky tabs, and the instructions. So, first part of this is simply going to be cutting out your robot after you have decorated it the way you want to decorate it. Front of our robot, and then we're going to get the back of our robot. Alright, we got our 2 little robots together here. Alright, and let's find our sticky tabs. So I'm going to actually cut, because I got some of the big ones. You can use, with the smaller ones, you could use a piece of tape too. I'm actually going to cut one of them in 2/4 because I'm going to use them to close our robot, but you can use tape for that too. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. Actually, I'll do, yeah, like this. Over here into this hand, and then I'm going to put the other washer on this end over here. Okay. So now he's holding water. You could just use it this way, but I want to make my robot 2-sided. So I'm gonna cut this other guy in half. We're gonna stick it on the back side of these washers. Alright, and then I'm just going to, oh, you know what? I didn't cut up through these legs. Oh well, you'll see what I mean anyway. So, we're just going to put a piece on each foot so that the robot doesn't fall forward when we're trying to balance him. Alright, and there's a sticky on that. Alright, now we're going to just lay this guy on top of this guy, make the back of our robot. Alright, and there's our robot. Alright, here's our robot. And now we can balance it on a point if we find the center. We just kind of experiment until, lo and behold, we can balance our robot. Now see if you can move the washers around or find different and fun ways to balance your robot, and send us pictures of your cute ideas.